Dear students, good morning to all of you. Here in this video clips, I am going to teach you about some grammar questions. I have given here some questions and their answers. Here I will try to make you understand what is an adjective. You see here what is the definition of adjective. That means, what do you mean by adjective? You have to understand adjective at first. An adjective is a word that tells about a noun or pronoun. That means adjective describes about a noun. It tells about a noun or pronoun. Just for an example, you take Ramesh is a clever boy. Sentence is Ramesh is a clever boy. The word clever describes about Ramesh. Here Ramesh is a noun, and for Ramesh you can take pronoun he. That's why I have written it tells about a noun or pronoun. What is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a word that tells about a noun or pronoun. You can give its answer in a short way. Describing words are called adjective. Describing words are called adjective. What is an adjective? Give the definition of adjective. You can write it in this way and your answer will be correct. Here is number 1. Then you come the second question. Second question is, what is a sentence? What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words, a combination of words. No. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, complete meaning. If group of words give the complete meaning, the complete sense, is called a sentence. Is called a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. It must have its own meaning, own sense. Then it will be a sentence. That means a sentence is a group of words. Then come here, what is the singular form of children? Here is children. What is the singular form of children? Here children is in plural form. Plural means more than one. No, one is a singular. In English, if anything one, that is singular. If more than one, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will be in plural form. The word here is children, it is plural form. Now you have to change it into singular form. Singular form will be here, I have written here CHILD. Child. Child is the singular form of children. Child is the singular form of children. Here I have forgotten to write the answer, so I have written child. Okay, what is the singular form of children? Child. Its answer will be child. Okay, what is the definition of adjective? You know very well. What is a sentence? Here is. What is the singular form of children? Here is. No. Then this voice change. I have given here some voice change. You have learned about voice change, active and passive. Active and passive. Here I have given active and it's a passive. I have given its answer. I write a letter. I write a letter. It's passive. A letter is written by me. No. You have already known about the rules V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Earlier I have taught you. I write a letter. I is subject, write is verb, a letter is object, object will be subject and subject will be object, and according to verb, okay, you have to apply all these. No, V1 for is, am, are, V2 for was, were, V3 for has, have, V4 is, am, are, was, were plus being. No, and V5 is, am, are plus V3 plus by, in this way. A letter is written by me. A letter is object, object will be subject, that's why a letter is written, write is V1. For V1 you have to take is, am, are. A letter is singular, that's why is. A letter is written by me. Second question, she knows me. Here is a nose, nose is V5. Nose is V5. I will be me will be converted into I. I am known to her. Here you will not write by. Okay, known to, K-N-O-W-N. No, generally we use Y, but in passive we will not use here Y. You have to use to. T-O, to. I am known to her. She helped us. Helped is V2. For V2 was where? Us will be converted into we. No, them will be converted into they. In this way, she helped us, we. We is plural. That's why you have to take plural verb. We were helped by her. We are helping them. This is V4. You have to apply here V4. No, them will be converted into they. They are being helped by us. They are being helped by us. In this way, you have to complete. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.